Namaskar, myself Dr. Sasikant from India Meteorological Department. I am going to present weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. In this presentation, we will cover major synoptic features and weather forecasting for next 2 weeks. And let us move further. So this is the presentation of weekly synoptic system during past week. So there is no major synoptic system except easterly wave in the form of cyclonic circulations over southwest Bay of Bengal, that is southern parts of the Tamil Nadu, and another over Comorin and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea. These are the two major weather systems. Other than that, in land areas, for example, some cyclonic circulation over interior Odisha, some cyclonic circulation over Maharashtra area, and some over southwest area. But none of these could give any significant weather over the region. And due to this cyclonic circulation and easterly wave, on 14th, Tamil Nadu and adjoining area received a good amount of rainfall. Heavy to very heavy rainfall also occurred over that area. So this is the cloud pattern observed during the past week, and this is the rainfall observed. So you can see that only southern tip of India could get some amount of rainfall. Other than that, there is no cloudy and no rainfall observed during the past 1 week. As already told, on 14 January, Tamil Nadu could get heavy rainfall. For example, Nagapattinam 9 cm and Ramanathapuram 8 cm, etc. So this is the we have two figures. Left side we have weekly exactly rainfall, and another one seasonal rainfall. So we can see that most of the subdivision could either receive negative rainfall or nil rainfall, except the southern peninsula that could get 220 rainfall. So overall, during past week we could get this is the minus 58%, and overall seasonal we could get 82% as a whole over the country. So main feature was during past week was fog and cold day and cold wave over northern belt, that is in Indo-Gangetic plains and adjoining areas of Bihar and GWB. So we could see that cold wave and cold day to severe cold day conditions were observed over northwest India during first half of the week, that is during 14 to 16th January, and after that Bihar could get this cold day during this 14 to 18 January, and Odisha and GWB also observed cold wave and cold day during 15 to 17 January. However, dense to very dense fog conditions observed during the week over many parts of the country, and due to which the transport, either aviation sector or railway or surface transport affected, and for this fog conditions impact were issued by India Meteorological Department that the fog conditions will happen during the past week. So this is the our INSAT 3DR RGB composite images. We can easily see that of the northern parts of the India during 15 to 20, the cloud belt were observed from Punjab to northeast India, including Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and we can see that for Punjab, the persistence of the fog over Punjab were also observed, including Bihar. However, some gaps were there over some parts of Uttar Pradesh, mainly over on 18th January. So this is the synoptic conditions as on today. We can see that small cyclonic circulations lies over two cyclonic circulations over eastern parts of Bangladesh and SSWB, and another over southern parts of the Gujarat. Other than that, no cyclonic circulation and no major weather systems are prevailing as on today. So therefore, however, we can see that during next 5 days only dense fog for today, and 25 on 26 northwest India fog condition may prevail. However, due to the coming WD, which is likely to affect on 22nd, that is tomorrow, weather may prevail over Jammu Kashmir and adjoining area like Himachal Pradesh during 22 and 23rd. In this scenario, on 23rd, Jammu and Kashmir may also likely to get heavy rainfall, including thunderstorm, and hailstorm may also likely get during the same period. After the 23, this phenomena may reduce, and therefore the no no significant weather warnings has been issued by our department. So this is 850 HPA wind and forecasted rainfall during next 1 week. So we can see that only western Himalayan region, because of likely impact of WD during 22 to 24 and some impact of feeble impact of easterly wave. So this is southern peninsula likely to get isolated rainfall, and this region, as already told, likely to get weather during 22 to 24. So this is a 925 HPA wind, and from this figure we can identify the pattern of the wind prevailing over, that is mainly that is because it is a winter season, that temperature will reduce or not. It mainly depends on the direction of the winds. So this is the low level winds. We can see that winds are prevailing either westerly or northwesterly from today, and from tomorrow, because of coming WD, this pattern may change and persistent during 20 to 24, and then again pattern will establish after 24. So this is our extended range forecast for next 2 weeks. From this we can see that this anomaly only western Himalayan region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, some rainfall is looking because of this WD, and this Kerala and adjoining area some rainfall is likely during week 1, and during week 2 again isolated rainfall likely over western Himalayan region, and isolated rainfall also likely over the southern peninsula. Other than that, no major rainfall, no significant rainfall is likely during week 1 and week 2. So this is a minimum temperature forecast for next 2 weeks. We can see that from this scale, that is the anomaly. This is showing some below normal temperature during week 1 over this parts of northwest India and some parts of the Bihar and adjoining this Odisha. Other than that, we have central and southern India have above normal or normal temperature over these regions. However, during week 2, this area, that is central parts of the India, that is MP and adjoining Jharkhand and Odisha and this western region and parts of the northwest India, some minimum temperature likely to be below normal. So this is the maximum temperature scenario. During week 1, we can easily see that this is the below normal temperature over parts of West MP and adjoining areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat and some parts of the North Punjab. We have below normal maximum temperature, and during week 2, we have central India and adjoining parts of East India below normal maximum temperature likely during week 2. So this is for 2 week cyclogenesis probability forecast. So from this easily see that over Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, in both the basins, no cyclogenesis formation is likely during next 2 weeks. So as already told, let us summarize again the week 1 and week 2 forecast. From week 1, as already told, the fresh WD likely to affect the western region from 22, that is tomorrow, and will cause weather during 22 to 24 and then reduction thereafter. And heavy rainfall oblique snow, that is likely over western region, mainly over Jammu and Kashmir, and and besides this, thunderstorm and hailstorm also likely over these areas, and southern peninsula, particularly over Kerala and adjoining areas of Tamil Nadu, likely to get isolated rainfall during next 2 days. And this is again minimum temperature and maximum temperature scenario I have already discussed. Main point is that no cold wave conditions likely over North India during next 4 or 5 days. However, fluctuations in the temperature will there, but no significant cold wave conditions likely over North India during next 4 or 5 days. And dense to very dense fog, isolated pockets likely over mainly over northwest India, but no major significant fog is not likely within 2 or 3 days. However, during 25 and 26, parts of northwest India likely to get dense to very dense fog. And overall, we see that as a whole, the minimum temperature likely to be below normal to the normal over most part of the country outside the northeast and southern peninsula, where they are likely to be above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This is the week 2. We can see that because I already discussed that no major WD is likely to affect the other parts of northwest India and WHR. Therefore, only this below normal rainfall or snowfall likely over western Himalayan region, and normal to have normal rainfall likely over northeastern states and extreme southern peninsula, as already told, and minimum temperature likely to be below normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius most part of the country outside southern peninsular India, and where these are likely to be above normal, and cold wave conditions also likely at isolated pockets during week 2 over North India. I recommend to follow up different apps released by India Meteorological Department, that is Mausam app for location specific, Damini app for lightning alert, and Meghdoot app for agro advisory services. Besides this, I have already recently launched this clouds based on cloud sourcing. Any general public, including anyone, can report severe weather through our websites. The link is already available on mausam.imd.gov.in, and we are already told that we are available on each and every platform of social media, that is Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and we have also running weather this is called blog, so you can refer on my blog also. Thank you very much.